Dear Zone Vice Presidents of JCI India, welcome. In this tutorial, we shall learn about reporting the LDMT program through the newly developed online system. To access this report, first log in into the members portal, within which you'll be able to find out the JCI India menu, under which you'll be able to find out the menu named as LDMT report yellow status. When you click on it, you'll be presented onto a dashboard. In this dashboard, the first and foremost thing that you will be able to see is the deadline within which you have to complete your reporting. When you scroll down, you will be able to see all the yellows that are assigned to your region. Let us view about how to send our LDMT report. To do that, under a local organization, click on Send Report, which will take you to the page where you have to enter the report. The first and foremost information that you are presented with is the question whether the training was conducted or not. Choose yes if you were able to secure a date from the local organization president and if you have successfully completed the LDMT program. If you are not able to complete the training program, or if you are not able to get a proper date or contact anyone from the local organization, choose no. Let us see about the first scenario, that is, you have successfully secured a date and completed the LDMT training. In this case, choose yes and select the date on which the program was conducted. So in this example, I'm going to be selecting a date, a random one, for the purpose of this demo. So I have selected the date on which the training was conducted. On scrolling down, you'll be able to see a space to attach the action photos and further documents that are the proof for conducting the LDMT program. To upload the action photos and other documents, click on this plus icon. The system will ask you the type of document that you are about to upload. First, upload an invitation. Here, if you can see, I have uploaded the invitation of the LDMT as prepared by the local organization along with the date on which the program was conducted and a small description about the image that I have uploaded. Kindly note, for this tutorial, all the images and other documents that I would be uploading are purely for the purpose of this tutorial only. In the same way, I am now uploading one of the action photo as well. Similarly, I have uploaded two photos right now. Next, kindly scroll down as you can find a space for you to upload the PDF document. This is the space where you have to fill up the LDMT report, get it signed from the local organization president, scan and convert it into a PDF document, and that can be uploaded over here. Now I have converted the PDF document and attached it over here. Once all your data is set, kindly verify it once again and click on save to send the report. The report has been successfully completed. As you can see over here, the LDMT status has changed to conducted and the approval status has changed to pending. Right now, the LDMT report of this local organization has been sent to the national headquarters and the national governing board. After verifying all the documents that you have uploaded, it is up to the decision of the authority to either approve your report or reject it. Once I have submitted this report, the status of this LDMT dashboard, reported dashboard, has changed from 1 of 7, but the approval status is yet in the space of 0. As and when the reports are being approved, your dashboard will get updated. Now let us talk about the situation where you weren't able to contact anyone from the local organization and you weren't able to conduct the LDMT training program. In that case, when you click on this send report, in the first section, which is asking was the training conducted, leave it as no, which shows that the training was not conducted, yet you were here to upload the LDMT report with sufficient proof that you have contacted or tried to contact the elected local organization president or the previous local organization president requesting for the LDMT date. In this case, in the space of uploading the action photos and other documents, kindly upload your requisition letter converted as a image. In this example, I've uploaded the requisition letter that I had posted on the particular date by selecting the date when the letter was posted and mentioning the proper description about the letter which I have uploaded. All you have to do is click on add. Apart from which, kindly add the acknowledgement card or the letter that you have received from the postal department. In this example, I have uploaded the first requisition letter and the ED card that I have received for that particular letter. Likewise, kindly upload all the requisition letters and the ED card that you had sent to the concerned people trying to get the date for conducting the LDMT training program. Apart from this, if you have any other documents that are relevant to show that you have made sufficient tries to contact the local organization, kindly upload them as the PDF over here. And now all you have to do is click on save. That's it. The report has been submitted successfully. And here, if you can see, the LDMT status has changed to not conducted rather than the previous example where it was changed to conducted. Because in this example, we were discussing about how to report if you weren't able to conduct the LDMT in that local organization. Until the deadline, you will be able to edit your report, but after the deadline, you will not be able to edit your report anymore. Here, use this button to preview the report and see all the data that you have submitted successfully. Similarly, upload all the relevant data for all the local organizations that have been assigned to your LO. As and when you complete, the dashboard will get updated automatically, and as and when the reports get approved, this second card in this dashboard will get updated automatically. Kindly note, once you have submitted a report, an acknowledgement email and a WhatsApp message will be delivered to the local organization's president. The email and the WhatsApp message will contain the acknowledgement and the status of the LDMT training as reported by you over here. Thank you all for joining in for this tutorial. Meet you again during another tutorial on LDMT reporting format. Have a good day.